In this video, we will be talking on how you could understand market analysis. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of SmartCharts. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Market analysis is the cornerstone of informed trading, okay? And mastering both technical and fundamental approaches can significantly enhance your decision making. And technical analysis focuses on price movements and the patterns as well. So while the fundamental analysis, on the other hand, delves into economic data and news to uncover underlying market forces. And those are crucial because what happens in like the latest news and current affairs could actually involve or affect the price action of the trades. Now guys, for this, SmartCharts offers a seamless platform to integrate these methods, and it enables traders to gain a comprehensive market perspective. And that is actually one of the greatest things that I like about SmartChart, is because it's not all about, the charts and the trading and all that. It's all about, the entirety, like the news, all the tools, and, the learnings that you could go ahead and utilize as well. Let me show that to you real quick. All right. So you have learn, you have charts, you have the trades, you have the journals, coaching, live events. All right. And you also have ideas and tools. Those are crucial stuff that will actually help you out into shaping yourself as a well-rounded trader. So using SmartCharts, traders can explore the technical analysis with ease by actually leveraging a wide array of indicators. So tools such as the moving averages, you have the RSI and the MACD allows users to actually analyze the trends, the momentum, and the potential of reversal points. Those are things that you really need to understand. And that is the reason why I always, tell you to always do your own research. Make sure that you know technical analysis, you know how to, do market analysis and all that, because this will significantly improve your effectivity and your profitability with your trades, especially with the help of SmartCharts. So SmartCharts' intuitive design makes it simple to overlay multiple indicators, customize the settings, and identify the actionable insights directly from the price chart. So for fundamental analysis, guys, SmartCharts provides an integrated news feed and an economic calendar. Those are super vital for your awareness because, again, integrated news feeds and economic calendar would be very helpful because, again, what happens in the news and public affairs could significantly affect the price actions of the stocks and the Forex and all those stuff that involves trading. Now, these tools help traders anticipate market reactions and align strategies accordingly. So a balanced approach also involves combining both analysis. So for instance, a trader might use technical indicators to identify a bullish setup and to confirm the trade by checking the economic calendar for supporting fundamental factors. Now, those are the top things that you need to look at. Now, SmartCharts empowers the traders with the tools and the knowledge to navigate today's dynamic market confidently, and by blending technical analysis and the fundamental insights, users can make well-informed decisions, which reduces the risk and maximizes the opportunity to converting those trades into profits. All right. So whether you're a novice or an expert already, SmartCharts is something that you really need to explore because it will definitely elevate your trading game. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.